send you the Holy Spirit. And you will do great things. You can do things that fall apart because you're ready. And peace divine alone. And that Holy Spirit is that wonderful gift. It gives us strength, especially so that we can follow Jesus. No matter how difficult it is, that second reading, he reminds us tonight, it is difficult. With the grace of the Spirit, the prayer of our faith, amazing things can happen in all of our lives. Then I love that first reading where we see the surprise of the Spirit. Here, the apostles go to Samaria, where they did asking. Somehow they receive the Spirit, they receive the good news, and